आपके सवाल और आपके जवाब लेकर रूपा हाजिर हो जाती है और किसी न किसी शख्सियत को आपके समक्ष हम लेकर ही आते हैं। और आज हमारा सौभाग्य है कि हमारे साथ श्री ओम के स्वामी जी हैं। इनका हम स्वागत करते हैं रूपा और आप पर। नमस्कार।
श्री ओम।
श्री ओम। स्वामी जी, आपके लिए तो हमारे काफ़ी सारे साथी बहुत ही बेकरारी से इंतज़ार कर रहे थे कि कब आप आएंगे, तो आप यहाँ पर कब आए?
I came on 17th of August.
17th को?
Yeah.
अच्छा जी। तो ये जो श्री ओम है, इसका कुछ क्या मैसेज होता है?
हाँ, श्री तो लाइट है, ओम शब्द मात्र है. So without light, suppose you see a thunder, if it's a raining, you have a thunder, you could see that first lightning is coming, then you get the sound. So whenever it is, शब्द मात्र तो बहुत important है. और शब्द मात्र किधर से किससे आ रहे हैं? Without light, then you won't get the sound.
Okay.
So light and sound, we mix together, we say Shri Om. And the other word, we say Sharir and Om Pranav, the breath. So a person has to be there to understand God. If he is not there, then there's no need that how he will understand God.
बिल्कुल सही है। कई लोग लेक्चर देते रहते हैं तो हम ऐसे देखते रहते हैं, उसके बाद हमें पता नहीं चलता और ब्लैंक हो जाते हैं कि ये बेचारा क्या बोल रहा है। हमारा दिमाग घर में लगा होता है।
हाँ.
तो एग्जैक्टली आपने जैसे कहा कि
So
दिमाग
you be there.
या बी देयर, या
दिमाग तो होंगे तो फिर
तभी कुछ होगा। स्वामी जी, आपके ये जो श्री ओम है, इसका क्या मैसेज है?
it's a simple message है. Humanity. So love all living beings. First is humanity. First you know about yourself. आपके बारे आप क्या करेंगे. तो ये मानवत्व जो आप करना है, लोगों में क्या क्या करना है, what all you have to do for the world and what is you expect from the world. So we should not expect anything from the world, but we have to do for the world. So that is what the Sri Om says you, that don't expect anything, you go on, do your duty. So what is your duty? Humanity is your duty. So first, everyone, when you go there, this is my own wish, I am saying you, that everyone goes there, they think, first we have to go to God. But I say, before going to God, first you analyze yourself, are you entitled to go there? See, everywhere you have a qualification.
Very.
So you pray. You think, I am qualified to pray. But I say, you are not qualified. Unless until you are pure, your soul is pure, your body is pure, your mind is pure, then the prayer is valuable. Because you don't know about yourself, what do you know about God, where He is not present and He is omnipresent. So He is present everywhere, but He is not present. But what do you understand about Him when you can't understand yourself? So first I say is, be a humanity. First learn things, be humanity. Then after that, you can go to God, pray. So prayer is not important. Prayer anytime we can pray, that's okay. But our age is not known. So according to our age, first learn ourselves. First you start learning yourself. Then you go pray. Then and pray. That gives you.
नहीं, बहुत अच्छी बात आपने कही। लेकिन हम जितने भी लोगों से मिलते हैं, बात करते हैं, तो वो कि कोई नहीं कहता कि मेरे अंदर ये प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे अंदर ये नुक्स है, मेरे अंदर ये फॉल्ट है। सब यही कहते हैं कि मैं बहुत ही
आई एम
प्योर, या अब मैं प्योर हूँ, मैं बिल्कुल सही हूँ, मैं लोगों की भलाई करता हूँ, मैं ये करता हूँ। तो वो कैसे एनालाइज करेंगे कि उससे कुछ सीखना चाहिए?
हाँ, वो तो ये दिस इज अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. बट वन थिंग, तो रामायण है, सबको मालूम है रामायण क्या बोला
जी.
और जीसस का भी है, सबको मालूम है, जो कुरान में भी है, सबको मालूम है. तो ये मानव कैसा रहना चाहिए वो तो है. हम अपने आप एनालाइज करना है. यू टेक वन एथिक समथिंग रिलीजियस, यू कंपेयर whether I am doing that way correctly or not, then you will come to understand. Everybody knows what is bad and what is good. Suppose you go to fire, you won't put your finger in the fire because you know it is fire. The same way you know what the mistake you are doing, but you are hiding yourself. So every human being has two faces.
Many faces.
No, this two faces is the most important. One is the face attracting others, the other is making themselves good. But both is not right. First you analyze, then you come out. Because many faces they show, they act. That becomes a stage.
Yeah,
So they act. So each one of them they give an action. But that's not true. And from everyone we expect everything. And that is also not true. That's also not right.
बिल्कुल. लेकिन श्री ओम कैसे रियलाइज कराता है कि तुम्हारे अंदर ये प्रॉब्लम है और तुम अपने आप को ठीक करो? इसका कुछ टैक्टिस है या कुछ मंत्र है या
Yeah, we have. So we have the 18 rules of the ashram, which says, I just say you that you read the 18 rules. Then after reading the 18 rules, आज सुबह उठा के क्या क्या करना है? So have you missed out in this 18? Or are you going to do the 18? Then when you come to the bed in the evening, see the 18. Have you done it correctly? जो जो वो 18 में है, सब आप किया नहीं किया? You can analyze by yourself. I definitely say every person knows what he does, good or bad. Because मन तो है, मन तो बता रहते थे.
मन तो क्लियर है.
And it will say you always, you are doing wrong.
जी.
But you judge and you say, no, I am doing right. Because you are forcing it to accept what you are doing. Don't do that. Just give a second thought. But nobody is giving.
That's the main problem, I think. ये देवी's voice क्या है?
It's a magazine actually. It's we have started here in New Zealand. 3 years back we started. Now the 3rd year is completing. We give them messages of the ashram and all the messages from all the books, like whatever the books, whatever they read, and whatever they understand. Suppose you read, you are also welcome to give an article. Suppose you read an article, you like that article. Okay, you give your own explanation on that. You are welcome, because you can't copy the article and give here,
Nice.
but you have to give your own explanation, which gives good. So we give chances for your philosophical development.
क्या बात है. वैसे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि जो आप बातें हम लोगों को बता रहे हैं. यहाँ पर भी आपके काफी फॉलोअर्स हैं और
Sure.
मेरे ख्याल से पूरे दुनिया में भी होंगे.
हाँ.
सब जगह आप
We
जाते
have I have in Sydney, also in Canada. Everywhere there are people are there. Of course, God's devotees everyone.
हैं. Everywhere. और आपका आश्रम किधर है इंडिया में?
It's in South India. Actually, हमारा तो 90 kilometers from Chennai. And our ashram is something like we don't have a big publicity and all to know for the people.
जी हाँ.
Because why I say is, it's no use of making a big crowd when now nobody learns nothing.
So quantity नहीं, quality.
Quality is important. So better those who like, those who want to come, let them come. So like that we have. Another one we have started in Andhra. It's a very remote village. You could see, it's in still 1965-66.
Oh.
The village where I have selected and where I am staying, mostly I will be staying there. You could see nothing has been improved. You can say the first building is ours, you can say.
अच्छा.
The house. Because we are having only house. Other than that, nothing. So they are very poor and they are very illiterate. So I selected that area because I want them to get out of their illiteration and let them learn things and all. So for a hospital, we have to go nearly about 40 kilometers. There's no nearby hospitals. Even if you're serious, it's finished, that's all.
Oh.
So even now we have that kind of villages. So I prefer we have to develop these areas.
Very true.
Because I sitting in a city, just boasting, oh, I am a great, that's no use of it. That's what my thought always is. Better go where there is no, I don't want people. I have to go and do service to the people.
So आप सर्विस देते हैं जो वहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम होती
Yeah.
है.
So I just go there and I am with them. जो प्रॉब्लम को भी सॉल्व करते हैं, फिर भी वो सत्संग बारे कुछ बोलते रहे. Because they don't know anything about all this. So daily we used to preach them something. So let them learn something on this.
बिल्कुल. स्वामी जी, मैंने आपके बारे में बहुत सुना है कि आपके फॉलोअर्स जितने भी यहाँ पर हैं उन्होंने बताया कि आप में एक दिव्य शक्ति है.
पता नहीं. I don't know anything about that. Because it's all God's grace. And I always call mother. Mother's wish is that she brought me this line, that's all. So I don't know to say what I am, but I have been made to act in this form, so I am doing it. So it's given by the mother.